What's up, everyone? I'm here in Berlin, Maryland. As you can see, more classic cars down here on Main Street. I think I like this down here better than the inlet. It's small. It's not a lot. Well, there's people here, but it's not as packed. Guys, check this out. There's more cars over there. Oh, guys, check this out. Here's the Candyman car. I was driving behind this thing the other day in Ocean City. There it is.
I think we need to get on your shoulders.
Alright, guys, check out this fire truck. Alright, now wait a second. Now is this considered, yeah, it's a supercharged car, but it ain't a classic car. Alright guys, that'll do it here in Berlin, Maryland. Classic car show. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys later.